disturbed over the differences amongst the judges of the Supreme Court, coming out so publicly because that can damage the sanctity and respect of the judiciary as a prime institution under the Constitution. 6. Calls upon the Honourable Chief Justice of Parliament exercise leadership by bringing all the judges of the Supreme Court on board to ensure that such differences are resolved amicably in the larger interests of the institution and that dignity and integrity of the Supreme Court is ensured in the larger national interest. 7. The Convention calls upon all the Bar Councils and Bar Associations throughout Pakistan to act independently without any pressure or influence of any political party or politician in order to ensure their independent stance and posture. Is the resolution accepted? Accepted. Thank you very much. हम लोग बहुत शुक्रगुजार हैं आपके कि आप लोगों ने रमज़ान मुबारक में अपना कीमती वक्त हमें दिया और मैं बहुत ममनून हूँ आप लोगों का। सवाल आपके पास। थैंक यू सो मच। बहुत शुक्रिया। थैंक यू सो मच। अब आप लोगों के लिए इफ्तारी का